Okay, are we in focus? How's my lighting? Everything looks good, so. Okay, so I got the package back. It was in the mailbox. I don't know if I paid for priority or not, but it didn't need to come back priority. So let's open it and see what we got. Okay, it looks like the one that I sent. It still has that little mark on it right here. So I guess that is the same one. Maybe it just didn't work. I don't know. But that little dent thing there looks pretty close to the one that was on it. I don't know how you duplicate that so closely. So everything seems to be there. They switched it to 110 where it was on 220. And 90 where it was on 180, or was it on 90? I don't remember. Well, anyway, I'm going to check it and see if it does actually work. Maybe it's something's wrong with it really. Or maybe it wasn't the right one for them, or maybe they didn't know how to use it. I don't really know. But it looks exactly like the one I sent them, so we offer refunds if they send it back, so I'm going to refund them his money right now.